Ever found yourself scrolling through your phone while your smart TV streams a movie, and maybe your tablet's open on a recipe, all at the same time? It makes you wonder, right? In this age of endless entertainment options, how many screens can one streaming service handle? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Neon and answering that very question: just how many devices can you have connected and streaming simultaneously? Neon, for those unfamiliar, is a popular streaming platform offering a wide array of movies, TV shows, and live sports. It's a go-to for many looking to catch the latest blockbuster or binge-watch a captivating series. But with households often juggling multiple devices and viewing habits, understanding the limitations on simultaneous streams is crucial. Nobody wants to be the one who gets their show interrupted because someone else started watching something in another room. So, let's get straight to it. The number of devices you can have actively streaming Neon content at the same time depends on your subscription plan. Neon offers different tiers, each catering to varying needs and viewing habits. For the standard Neon plan, which is the most common option, you are typically allowed 2 simultaneous streams. This means that you and another member of your household can be watching different content on 2 separate devices at the same time. Whether it's a movie on the TV and a live sports event on a laptop, or 2 different TV shows on separate televisions, the standard plan provides a good balance for smaller households or individuals who might occasionally want to watch on different screens concurrently. However, if you have a larger household or multiple people who frequently want to watch Neon at the same time, the platform also offers a premium plan. This upgraded subscription tier usually allows for 4 simultaneous streams. This provides greater flexibility, enabling more members of your family to enjoy their favorite content on their preferred devices without any interruptions. Imagine a scenario where one person is watching a movie in the living room, another is catching up on a series in their bedroom, someone else is streaming a documentary on a tablet, and perhaps someone is even tuning into a live sports match on their phone, all at the same time. The premium plan caters perfectly to these multi-viewer households. It's important to note that while these plans dictate the number of simultaneous streams, the total number of devices you can register to your Neon account is usually higher. This means you can log into your Neon account on numerous devices: your smart TV, your laptop, your smartphone, your tablet, and so on. However, the limitation lies in how many of these devices can be actively streaming content at the exact same moment. To check the specific details of your Neon subscription and the number of simultaneous streams included, the best place to look is your account settings on the Neon platform itself. This information is usually clearly stated within your subscription details. Additionally, Neon's Help or FAQ section will provide the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding their plans and streaming limitations, as these details can sometimes be subject to change. Understanding these limits ensures a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience for everyone in your household. It helps avoid those frustrating moments when someone tries to start watching something only to be met with a message saying the maximum number of streams has been reached. By choosing the Neon plan that best suits your household's viewing habits, you can ensure everyone gets to enjoy their favorite content without any interruptions. So, whether you're a solo streamer or part of a bustling family, Neon offers options to accommodate your needs. Just be sure to check your subscription details to know exactly how many screens you can light up simultaneously. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.